Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic. Question: which is the largest major seaport in India by cargo handling? Answer B. Mumbai. Question: the port of Kandala is located on the coast of which Indian state? Answer A. Gujarat. Question: which Indian seaport is known as the Gateway of South India? Answer A. Chennai. Question: the major Indian port situated on the east coast and known for iron ore exports is? Answer A. Paradip. Question: which port is the only major natural harbour on the east coast of India? Answer B. Visakhapatnam. Question: the port of Mumbai is situated on which body of water? Answer A. Arabian Sea. Question: which port is located at the mouth of the Hooghly River? Answer A. Kolkata. Question: the port of Tuticorin is primarily known for the export of which commodity? Answer A. Salt. Question: which of the following ports is the deepest natural port in India? Answer A. Visakhapatnam. Question: the port of Haldia is a subsidiary port of which major Indian port? Answer A. Kolkata. Question: which port is the oldest major seaport in India? Answer B. Kolkata. Question: the port of Kochi is located in which Indian state? Answer A. Kerala. Question: which port is known as the Gateway of Gujarat? Answer A. Kandala. Question: the port of Paradip primarily handles exports of which mineral? Answer A. Iron ore. Question: which port is located on the west coast of India near the city of Surat? Answer A. Hajira. Question: the port of Ennore was renamed as? Answer A. Kamrisar Port. Question: which port is the largest container handling port in India? Answer A. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Question: the port of Mormugao is situated in which Indian state? Answer A. Goa. Question: which port is located near the Sundarbans Delta region? Answer A. Kolkata. Question: the port of Visakhapatnam is located in which Indian state? Answer A. Andhra Pradesh. Question: the port of Jawaharlal Nehru is also known by what acronym? Answer C. Both A and B. Question: which port is famous for handling thermal coal imports for power plants in India? Answer A. Paradip. Question. The port of Mumbai is located on which island? Answer A. Salsette Island. Question. Which port is closest to the India-Pakistan maritime border? Answer A. Kandala. Question. The port of Chennai primarily serves which region of India? Answer A. Tamil Nadu and southern India. Question. Which port is the main gateway for exports and imports for the state of Odisha? Answer A. Paradip. Question. The port of Mundra is operated by which private company? Answer A. Adani Ports and Says Ltd. Question. Which port is known for its shipbuilding and repair facilities in India? Answer A. Vishakhapatnam. Question. The port of Haldia is mainly used for handling which type of cargo? Answer A. Petroleum and chemicals. Question. Which Indian seaport is located on the Konkan coast? Answer A. Mumbai. Thanks for watching. Comment your score. If any suggestions, comment below. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.